Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply delete unused app from Play Store on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to simply click on my Play Store right here. Then having opened up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on, Play Protect. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon from the top. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Permission for Unused Apps. Then you have all unused app right here. Next thing you can do is to simply click on the trash bin icon right here. Do you want to uninstall this app? Simply click on OK. It's as simple as that. You can uninstall as many as possible unused app with this method. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply delete unused app from Play Store. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.